Hello kids. Let's play a quick fruit quiz. This fruit is green outside, pink inside, and full of vitamin C. Kids love it with salt. Yes. It's a guava. Small and round, green or purple. Do you know? Great. They are grapes. This fruit is round, orange in color, and full of vitamin C. What's the name? Yes. It's an orange. This fruit is red and very healthy. Guess what it is? Yes. It's an apple. Here comes a tricky one. Brown outside, green inside, with tiny black seeds. Yes. It's a kiwi. Last one. This fruit is green, creamy inside, and very healthy. Often used in salads. Correct. It's an avocado. Well done, kids. Don't forget to eat fruits every day.